Where are you going? Where are you going? Uh-oh, you're stuck. Whoa! Which way are you going? Careful, Mia. Just let her get up. Just slowly. Mia, you got to go slowly, honey. Go, go. Good walking. Good walking, darling. Good walking. You're going to hit the wall. Whoa. Whoa, you're excited. Whoa. Uh-oh, hit the wall. Pull it up from the wall for her, Mia. That's it. Good walk. Oh, good walking. Which way are you going? Turn around towards the door.